seagulls are like everywhere. Oh my god, it's a flock of seagulls. Seagulls! Oh my god, we're running. We have to run. A J. Ah, seagull! Let's go. Come on. Oh my god, it's a seagull. We're running as quick as we can. The great tree of honor. Great tree. The tree of greatness. Greatness of the tree. Let's go. So, I was in the middle of the jungle.
Okay. And now we're walking
Yeah.
down the street.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Pull my glasses, I'm up there. Gonna hit listed. Go in the pool. Brush my teeth with water. Pool water. Before I leave for the pool. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry about that. OMG. Right, let's pick a city. OMG.
Seagull. There's a seagull portrait.
Bus seagulls. Bus seagulls. 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 Oh my god. What is that? Oh my god. What is that? OMG. I think we should really go now. OMG. What is that? OMG. What is that? OMG. What is that? OMG. I'm so freaked out. OMG. OMG. I think I just saw a seagull. Ah! I'm running as fast as I can. I really think we should run. Oh my god, it's a bird, it's a bird, oh my god. Oh, weird tree. Oh my god, it's a bird. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's running away. I think I know that the seagull's after us. Ah! Run! I'm getting so tired. Why am I so tired? I'm getting so tired. Oh.